So, how I am with zero experience in web dev learned to build React apps like this. Long story short, it's practicing. But let me tell you more about this. First of all, need to mention that I have experience in programming, but it was in Unity C# to build different games. But building a game in Unity, it's really different from web dev. So for me, it was like starting from zero. So at March 24, I finally took myself and started to learn web dev. Because I have experience in C# and Unity, I decided to start in .NET because I think it's gonna be a good idea. And no, it not was a good idea. I tried to search something on YouTube, it's gonna be for beginners, but I didn't really find, so I started to search in Udemy. After a couple of minutes, I found there a course with good reviews. But there was mentions that need to have experience before. My stupid head thought that I have enough experience, so I bought this course. After a couple hours of learning, I didn't really understand anything that I'm doing. It all was just copy-pasting the teacher. So it was really hard for me to learn how it's all working. I thought, what the fuck? Why so hard? So I decided to refound it and to search for the course that's gonna learn me all from zero, including a theory. An important note that I searched for a course that's gonna learn me from zero HTML, CSS and just a vanilla JavaScript. In Udemy, I found this course. It's teaching me from zero HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So I started to learn 3-4 hours per day each day. The teacher in this course was really amazing. He teach everything like for stupid people, so it was really simple to understand anything. And one important note, he explained a lot of examples based on his pet chickens, so it was also funny to follow it. If you're just starting learning web dev, I really recommend you this course. I don't have any referral or something earning for that, but just based on my experience. By the time of the learning, I found the indie hacking community and understanding what is it and why I need to deploy a lot of apps. So I decided not to wait until the end of the course and to start building project by the way. Right after the section about the APIs and how it's all working, I built my first product. That was a retro book picker that helping you to find retro books and also to find where to buy them. After this product, I traveled to Malta and faced a little problem. My girlfriend need to come to Malta and I need to find the idea for a date. But how to find a creative idea for a date? So I decided to build a product that's helping you to find creative ideas based on AI and based on your location and the preferences, for example, vegan, healthy and all the stuff. This project was built just with vanilla JavaScript and a little bit backend with Node.js. After this product, I saw some opportunity with some company to build them a web scraper based on Node.js. So I built it and until now it's doing something like $400 per month, so it's really good. And yes, also need to mention that this product was built in the start of May, so it's something like 2 months from start of the learning. For me, I feel that it's a little success. This little success gives me a lot of motivation to continue and to learn more. Now I decided to move on and to learn some framework, so it's gonna be more easy and productive for me to build products and also faster. I picked React.js and started to learn the basics. It took me something like 1 day to learn all the basics, and after that I started to search about the idea because I wanted to build something. Remember that learning much more easy when you're practicing what you're learning. So like that I started to build my first project on React.js and it's Validator. The link for the landing page for this project is gonna be in the description, so take a look about this. So I started to learn a Firebase authorization, Firebase database and all the stuff to build this project. In this video I'm not gonna tell a lot about this product because soon gonna be a new video that's gonna be dedicated only for the validator and how I build it and all the stuff. You don't gonna believe how it's gonna end. So just subscribe and press the bell so not to miss it. And yes, this is the little story about me, how I started to learn web dev after 6 years of game development. And what about you? On which stage you are? Follow me also on the Twitter because there I posting more behind the scene and how I building and all the stuff. Thank you and see you in the validator video.